Jai Gurudev. Good morning, children. I am your science ma'am, Mangalam. Welcome to you all for this academic year 2020-21. Are you happy now? Yes. We shall go to our first topic, teeth and digestion. In this, you are going to learn only about teeth. Students, look at your teeth in the mirror. Do all of them appear similar? ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா? No. All the teeth are not similar. Do you know why do we have teeth? Our teeth are vital for our body. They help us in many ways. We have teeth to chew the food we eat, and it also helps us to speak clearly. Okay, children, does the newborn child have teeth? No, they are born without teeth. This is the reason why a baby only drinks milk. குழந்தைங்க ஒன்று பால் மட்டும்தான் குடிப்பாங்க. பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? ஏதாவது சாப்பாடு சாப்பிடுவாங்களா? இல்லை. The first tooth of the baby grows at the age of about 6 months. A full set of 20 teeth grows by the age of 3 years. This first set of teeth is known as milk teeth or temporary teeth or deciduous teeth. Okay. What is milk teeth? The first set of teeth is known as milk teeth. How many milk teeth? 20 teeth are there. But as the child grows, these teeth fall off one by one from the age of about 6 years. That is the reason milk teeth are called temporary teeth. A new set of teeth grow to replace the fallen milk teeth. This new set of teeth is known as permanent teeth by the age of 21. We have 32 permanent teeth in all. 16 teeth in each jaw, which we use through our whole life. Okay. Now, I ask a question for you. What is permanent teeth? The second set of teeth is known as permanent teeth. So, how many teeth are there? How many set of teeth in our whole life? 2. That is milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay. Next, types of teeth. All our teeth are not of the same kind. All adult human beings have 4 types of teeth. According to the type of work they do, like biting, tearing, chewing the food. The 4 kinds are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. First one is incisors. Incisors are used for cutting or biting food. The front 4 teeth in the upper and lower jaw in our mouth. They are flat and have sharp edge. Canines. Canines are the tearing food. One canine is present on both sides of the incisor on both the jaws. There are total 4 canines. We have 2 canines in each jaw. They are sharp and pointed. Premolars. Premolars comes next to the canines. They are broad and flat. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. So, total 8 premolars are there. They help to crush and chew food. And finally, molars. Molars are bigger, flatter and broader teeth. There are 6 molars in each jaw. So, 12 molars are there. They also help to chew and grind the food. Next, parts of a tooth. It is common for all types of teeth. All types means that is incisors, canine, premolars and molars. The different parts of a tooth are crown, neck, root. Main parts of a tooth, crown and root. The crown meet the root at the region called the neck. Layers of a tooth. Enamel. Enamel is the outer layer. It is white color. It is visible part. It helps in chewing food. It is hardest substance in our body. That's a very important question for you. That's a GK question, students. Which one is hardest substance in our body? Answer is enamel. Okay. And dentine. Dentine is just below the enamel. It is bone-like material that is yellow in color. This helps to support the enamel. Pulp. There is a soft pulp inside the dentine. It consists of nerves and blood vessels. The pulp helps in two ways. It provides the tooth with nourishment. It sends signal to the brain. Suppose we have toothache and the pain வந்து மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறது வந்து இந்த பல்ப் தான். Next, care of our teeth. Do you all brush your teeth every day? Why do you do so? Yes, to keep them clean, otherwise it will decay. Why do teeth decay? When we eat food, tiny particles of food get stuck on the teeth and also in the space between the teeth. This result in the formation of a yellowish and sticky layer of germs and food particles on the teeth is known as plaque. What is plaque? The formation of a yellowish and sticky layer of germs and food particles on the teeth is known as plaque. The germs further break down the food particles into acids. These acids slowly eat away the enamel, causing holes called cavities in the teeth. Important that we keep our teeth clean. Tips for healthy teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to the bed at night. Begin brushing by making gentle strokes. The front teeth should be brushed up and down. Make circular movements to brush the teeth at the back. Eat healthy food. Milk and milk products make our teeth stronger. பல்லு இப்போ ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும்னா மில்க் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்னால் நிறைய சாப்பிடணும். ஓகே. அவாய்ட் ஈட்டிங் டூ மெனி ஸ்வீட்ஸ் அண்டு சாக்லேட்ஸ். பல்லு நம்மளுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா சாக்லேட் சாப்பிட்றதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சிக்கோங்க. ரிமெம்பர் டு ரின்ஸ் யுவர் மவுத் ஆஃப்டர் ஈட்டிங் எனிதிங். எப்போவுமே சாப்பிட்டு முடித்த உடனே என்ன பண்ணணும்? கொப்பளிக்கணும். ஃப்ளூரைடு ரிமூவ்ஸ் பிளாக். Already know that plaque. What is plaque? The formation of a yellowish and sticky layer of germs is called plaque. So use a toothpaste that contain fluoride to brush your teeth. Use dental floss to clean between the teeth. What is floss? Yes, it's a kind of thread used to clean between the teeth. Plan for 2 dental checkup in a year. Today we have studied only about teeth, the importance of teeth, milk and permanent teeth, parts of your tooth, layers of your tooth, different types of teeth. And finally, care of teeth. Okay students, go through workbook page number 1, question number 1, 2, 3, page number 2 and page number 3 fill-ups questions 1, 2, 5. Answer in one word question number 1, 2, 5. Page number 4 questions 1, 2, 3, 4. Page number 5 question number 1, 2 thoroughly. Children, you have learned thoroughly about teeth. In your lesson time, go through this and you can understand. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.